What?
Oh my gosh, Francis. Do you feel it? Do you feel what he's doing?
I feel
Stop it.
something, but not really.
Stop suggesting to her, honey. It's not a good thing.
Yeah, I feel something, but I don't really feel it.
That's so fast. Like how quick the nail can be gone.
I'm not gonna put that on me too, right?
No,
you're
just
a
for her
good doctor.
It's just for her memory.
You're a good doctor, because I don't feel nothing. Yay!
And the last doctor.
Yeah, you see how deep it
Oh
is?
yeah, damn, that wasn't it,
Yeah.
dude. That
Yeah.
shit goes all the way back.
Right, it was very deep. It was,
Oh my god.
yeah. So we're gonna bandage it. We'll put you on antibiotic, a little bit of Norco, and you just kind of kick up and relax.
That
Okay?
hurts really bad when it doesn't have
No,
anything on it.
no.
Like right now it doesn't, but like when it doesn't have nothing on it, this
So if
shit
it doesn't
hurts
have
so
nothing
bad.
on it, you're gonna need a little bit of Norco.